It's Karen Chadwick, August 22nd, 2020, out here at the Kenwood boat ramp. And it's still a mess. All this vegetation blockage was sprayed with herbicides last week, maybe like 7 days ago. And it's still here, it's rotting, settling to the bottom, some of it. Some few boats come out here and try to chew their way through it. There's a guy out there in the run. He's been trying to start his motor. I'm trying to get through this. I won't put my boat in here because it's bad for the impeller, the water pump, the seals. It's a mess. He's pretty stuck.